Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some innovative ways to make some beautiful gowns. So take the red color cloth and then take a mannequin and then drape the dress around it like this to give it the upper portion. Now fold it from the hands to give it a design on the sides. Now give it a V design in the front like this by pasting the cloth and then stitch it properly. Now we will make its lower part or the gown and paste it, and your gown is ready. I hope you liked it. In the same manner you can choose different clothes and make these designs. Next, take the yellow color cloth like this and then we'll paste it like this or stitch it using the pins or the thread and the needle you can take, and fix it by making the frills in the front by leaving few space in the between like this. Now join another piece of cloth and then again wrap it like this. Now follow the same step as shown in the video, take it till the back and then cover it. After you are done with this process, make a necklace like shape in the front like this. Now make its gown by stitching it as shown in the video. In the same manner, put a ribbon in the between and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take a green color cloth like this. Now fix it in the front by giving a V type shape in the front like this. Give it a V neck and then we will cut it from the sides. Now join the dress to make the gown like this. Stitch it from the side and fix it by fixing it on the top and give the design on the side like this. Make the plaits and fix it on the top in the same manner as we are fixing it from the sides. Cut it from the front like this and your gown is ready. Next, again we will take a green color cloth like this and make the frills in the front by putting the plaits like this. Put the pins to stitch the cloth first. Now cut the extra cloth from the bottom side. Now take another piece of cloth like this and give it a neck like this by rolling it. Now give it a gown on the downside, stitch it properly and cover the dress. Join them together from the between and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take this cloth and then fix it on the top as shown in the video. Fix it from the sides like this. Put it and stitch it properly as shown in the video like this from the front. Give it the design as shown in the video. Now make the frills on the bottom section of the dress. Join it like this and your dress is ready. Next, take a blue color cloth like this and make the plaits and the frills in the front and put the pins to stitch it like this. Now from the sides, take a plain cloth and fix it on the right side like this. Fix it and remove the extra cloth from the downside like this, and your beautiful princess gown is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.